Jeff Kirkby, irrigator at Walgett here on the Barwon. I grow cotton, wheat, chickpeas, sorghum this year is predominantly what I grow. So at Walgett here, with the climate that we have, water is everything. So before the screen was installed, we just had a pipe that went into the river with a bit of mesh on it. So you could imagine the debris and stuff like that. So it's made a big difference at the other end. The difference between what I had originally and now is a complete opposite. Obviously, with the big grid that was on the bottom of the pump to this now, yeah, just the benefit you see from the economy of my pumps and everything that I'm getting now compared to what we were, chalk and cheese. So since having the screen, I'm not getting any fish at all. The debris not there anymore in the channels, blocking pumps up on me at the other end. All that time-consuming stuff's been taken out of it. It spins itself. You can set how many times a day, so while I'm pumping, I've set it for 4 times a day. It cleans itself. It's very, maintenance-free. If the government were to get behind it, I'm on board. It's a good thing.